Mauritius. A real gem in the Indian Ocean, Mauritius is a place of stunning beauty and rich history. This little island, once a perfect paradise untouched by humans, has a story of loss, bouncing back, and the amazing power of nature to heal itself. Its dense tropical forests and lush greenery were once home to a myriad of unique species. Imagine a time before people, when giant tortoises wandered around, and a strange bird, the dodo, walked without a care in the world. These creatures roamed freely, living in harmony with the untouched environment. This was Mauritius way back when, a home to unique creatures found nowhere else. The island was a sanctuary for wildlife, a true Eden on Earth. When people arrived in the 1500s, things changed dramatically. The untouched paradise began to transform. Forests full of life were chopped down for wood and farming. The lush greenery gave way to barren lands and agricultural fields. Plantations popped up, showing human ambition but spelling doom for many of the island's original inhabitants. The natural balance was disrupted. One of the biggest losses was a creature that became a symbol of extinction, the dodo. This flightless bird, once abundant, vanished forever. But even after the dodo disappeared, Mauritius bounced back, showing how nature can heal and how dedicated people can help it recover. Conservation efforts have led to the regeneration of forests and the return of some wildlife. This is a story of second chances, of species saved from the edge of extinction, and the ongoing work to make Mauritius amazing again. The island's journey from paradise lost to paradise found is a testament to resilience and hope. The dodo, a name that means extinction, a warning story told through time. This flightless bird, only found on Mauritius, was truly one of a kind. Bigger than a turkey with a strong body and a strange hooked beak, the dodo was perfectly suited to its island life. Not afraid of humans, the dodo became an easy meal for hungry sailors. Ships from far away brought uninvited guests, rats, cats, pigs, and monkeys, all ready to take advantage of the island's resources. These invaders caused chaos, eating dodo eggs and chicks. By the late 1600s, just a century after humans arrived, the dodo was gone. The dodo's extinction was a wake-up call, a shocking realization of how delicate island ecosystems are. It was a lesson learned too late for the dodo, but it sparked a determination to protect what was left of Mauritius's special natural treasures. The 1970s were a turning point. Conservation groups got to work. The Durrell Wildlife Conservation Trust and the Mauritian Wildlife Foundation, MWF, became heroes for the island's struggling wildlife. Decades of introduced predators, habitat loss, and human interference had caused a lot of damage. But these dedicated people, armed with scientific knowledge and never-give-up attitudes, refused to be defeated. Guardians of the Island. Success stories of species recovery. Conservation in Mauritius is a story of small wins and the inspiring dedication of people who wouldn't give up on the island's fragile species. These efforts have led to remarkable recoveries of species that were once on the brink of extinction. The Mauritius kestrel, once almost extinct, shows the power of human help. This bird of prey was critically endangered, but through relentless conservation efforts, it has made a significant recovery. In the 1970s, only 4 of these magnificent birds of prey were left. The situation was dire, and immediate action was necessary to prevent their complete disappearance. A captive breeding program gave them a lifeline. Conservationists worked tirelessly to ensure the survival of each chick, nurturing them until they could be released back into the wild. Slowly, the kestrel population started to grow again. Today, the sight of these birds soaring in the skies of Mauritius is a testament to the success of these conservation efforts. The pink pigeon has a similar story. This beautiful bird faced near extinction but has been brought back from the brink through dedicated conservation work. This bird was once only seen on postage stamps. Its population had dwindled to critical levels, making it a rare sight in the wild. Thanks to serious habitat restoration and a carefully managed breeding program, the pink pigeon has made a fantastic comeback to the forests of Mauritius. These efforts have not only saved the species, but also restored a vital part of the island's natural heritage. The Dodo shadow, a legacy and a potential future. The dodo, though long gone, still has a big impact on Mauritius. Its image is a strong reminder of what happens when we don't care for the environment. Advances in genetics, like successfully mapping the dodo's DNA, have started a discussion about bringing it back to life. Could we, using amazing science, bring back this iconic bird from extinction? This idea brings up some serious ethical and ecological questions. Challenges on the horizon. The fight continues. Even with the amazing successes, conservation in Mauritius is far from over and remains a critical mission. Invasive species are still a big problem, threatening the delicate balance of the ecosystem. The fight against invasive plants and animals never ends, requiring constant vigilance. Habitat loss, caused by a growing human population and development, keeps shrinking the remaining wild areas, making conservation harder. Climate change adds another layer of difficulty and urgency to conservation work, impacting every aspect. A call to action, safeguarding our planet's treasures. Our planet is a treasure trove of natural wonders and diverse ecosystems, each playing a crucial role in maintaining the balance of life. Mauritius's story has important lessons for all of us. This island nation, with its rich biodiversity, teaches us the value of conservation and the impact of human actions on the environment. It shows how connected all living things are and how important it is to look after our planet. The intricate relationships between species and their habitats highlight the delicate balance that sustains life on Earth. The dodo's extinction is a stark reminder of what happens when we ignore the environment. This iconic bird, once native to Mauritius, vanished due to human activities, underscoring the irreversible consequences of neglect. It's a call to action, urging us to learn from the past and create a future where conservation is a core value. By educating ourselves and others, we can foster a culture of environmental stewardship and proactive preservation. Every species plays a vital role in the intricate web of life. From the tiniest insects to the largest mammals, each organism contributes to the health and stability of our ecosystems. The time to act is now. Climate change and habitat destruction are accelerating, making immediate action more critical than ever. Let's be inspired by the dedication of those working hard to protect Mauritius's natural heritage and take that same commitment and action to our own parts of the world. Together, we can make a difference and ensure that future generations inherit a thriving, vibrant planet.